Hey guys, Dave with Tsunami Hydrographics. I don't have a preview, so I'm going to try to figure out if I'm even in the shot here. I'll lift it up a little bit. There we go. I don't know. I can't, no screen, so high tech. Hey, today I wanted to do a short little video, guys, on the sticker back removal, okay? After you make your own stickers, we do them for Super Chrome here, resize the bottles and all that. These are a pain to try to sit there and pull that apart, okay? I went on YouTube and I saw a couple videos that were pretty much useless with needles and using more sticker paper to try to get it off, and it didn't work all the time. This is simple and foolproof, okay? Here's what I'm going to do. Masking tape. This is automotive masking tape, but we'll try the less adhesive tape. What I do is I put the sticky side out on your finger, okay? Just a roll around there. Tear that off and do the same thing on this one. Hope you can see that. Just wrap it around one time, okay? Okay, got two stickies, all right? Grab your sticker. Put one on the front and one on the back corner. There you go. It's already off. No screwing around. Simple assignment. So next thing, you just want to do a little check here on the less adhesive tape, the green stuff, okay? This really doesn't have much adhesion to it, so most people that might have some masking tape around their house might have something similar to this as far as adhesion goes. So let's try this out and see how good this does. Get another one here. Okay, back side. Front side, pull it back. Oops, I got my tape stuck to each other. Okay, we're not having the exact same result. There it is, it comes right off. Okay, the tape wants to stick to the tape, and you're going to fight with that first, but it's just a couple dabs on it and it'll pull it right off, okay? Pull that off, you're ready to go. Anyway, just a little helpful hint, guys. I was screwing with this stuff late at night, shipping orders out, messing with the corners. I said there's got to be an easier way, and this is it. So, Dave with Tsunami Hydrographics. Oh, anyway, if you've got a backing, you've got no issues, okay? There's nothing to worry about. It's only for when you don't have a backing, or you don't have any perforations, or you don't have any cheaters, okay? This is what this technique will do. Dave with Tsunami Hydrographics, we're out.